Hi guys, my name is Esli and welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the notification bell. Most of my contents are unboxing and tutorial, but I also do review some of the supplements for kids and for adults. By the way, I am a small business owner here in the Philippines. If you're interested for an authentic supplements, kindly check my Shopee store and I will put the link on the description box. For today's vlog, I'm going to unbox and install, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I think it's Niimbot portable label thermal printer. I bought it in Shopee for 1,099 pesos with one free label sticker. The one that I bought is color green because I like nature. The seller is from mainland China. That's why it was delivered to me for about 11 days. Not bad, right? This is the exact box that I received. It has a Niimbot label. They also have a hotline printed on the box in case there's a problem with your order. But I think it's best to reach out to the seller first. Without further ado, let's start unboxing Niimbot D11 label printer. There's actually a variety of thermal paper rolls that you can choose from. Pink, green, blue, and white. And there are different cuts of the sticker paper. And those sticker papers are actually waterproof and also it is oil-proof. This is especially helpful for me because I'm a business owner and I can apply labels to my products. This is also helpful if you've hired people to do your packaging for you.